guys, so for today's task, we are working on a movie and we are going to take you guys along for the whole process.
Which movie, Anu?
That will be revealed later on, but for now, let's go check out.
Filmmaking is an art as well as science, and that's what we have witnessed with fun. I especially was honed with the skill set of the industry-ready professionals. All this took place at DVS Global University under the School of Modern Media.
From direction to cinematography and light to sound, we have experienced every stage of production under the guidance of professional experts with hands-on practice on filmmaking devices.
As you can see that at my back, there is an artificial lighting setup being done because there is an indoor shoot going on.
We had the opportunity to witness the production of a Bollywood film where we gained valuable insights into how camera setups are planned and how each frame is carefully composed. Seeing the process up close helped us understand that how much thought goes behind visual storytelling. Overall, it was a great experience to see that how much effort goes into recording clean sound live without relying on dubbing later on.
Art direction is a very important part of filmmaking. As you can see at my back, the set is being prepared for the next shoot.
तो बेसिकली ये डायरेक्टर करता है, ठीक है, एग्जीक्यूट करना इज डायरेक्शन टीम जॉब. डायरेक्शन टीम वर्क्स विद देन द प्रोडक्शन टीम who works on the ground. It's direction team's job to understand, okay, on this day I will need this extras, I will need 4 bananas, I will need a tray, I will need a board.
While shooting a movie, the set plays an important role, as the ambience gives the soul to the script. We arranged the art direction in the location in accordance with the instruction of DOP and cinematographer.
DVS isn't just a university. It's where academics meet action.